Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about introduction of pharmacovigilance. So firstly, we know the meaning of word pharmacovigilance. There are two different types of word which combine to form a new word that is called as a pharmacovigilance. The the word pharmakon, which is a Greek word, means drugs, and another word is a vigilance, which is a Latin word, means to keep watching. So from the combination of these two words we will get the new word that is the pharmacovigilance. So what is meant by pharmacovigilance is defined as a any response to drug which is noxious or non-toxic and unintended, including lack of efficacy, it's called as the pharmacovigilance. Simply, pharmacovigilance is known as a drug safety in a pharmaceutical science. In a pharmaceutical science, it's also known as the collecting, detecting, assessment, monitoring and prevention of adverse effect of the pharmaceutical products. It's called as the pharmacovigilance. In which also information received from the patient and healthcare provided via pharmacovigilance agreements as well as other sources such as medical literature plays a vital role in or critical role in providing the data necessary for the pharmacovigilance to take place. The main goal of pharmacovigilance is to promote the safe and effective use of health product in a particular timely providing information about safety and health products to patient health in health care professionals and to the public. The main objective of pharmacovigilance is the improve patient care and its safety, also improve public health and safety, encourage safe, rational and appropriate use of the drugs, and promote understanding, education and clinical training in a pharmacovigilance is the main objectives of the importance of pharmacovigilance. It is the completely safe data, especially for unexpected and serious drugs event can only be captured through pharmacovigilance. It cannot be captured through the clinical trials which are conducted in a artificial environment. Pharmacovigilance has a its unique way to or terminology that is important to understand, in which include adverse drug reaction, adverse event reaction, also include clinical relationship clinical casual relationship, clinical trials, de-challenging, re-challenging, effectiveness and efficacy, harmful. In this, first is the adverse event. Adverse event is the side effect occurring with a drug, that is the causal relationship between the adverse event and the drug is unknown, so adverse event will be occur. Adverse drug reaction means adverse drug reaction is the drugs will get a effect arising when a given in a therapeutic dose, either immunological mediated reaction or pharmacological mediated adverse response to the drugs, to the drug reaction to form the adverse drug reaction. Causal relationship is the drugs have contributed to the occurrence of an adverse drug reaction. Is form of the causal relationship in a adverse drug reaction, and drugs give the response to the body's effect. Clinical trials which has useful for the organized to the program of determining the safety and efficacy of the drug in the de-challenging and re-challenging is the concept of the drugs will be being stopped or restart their action on in the patient's body. So it has two types of positive re-challenging, de-challenging as occurred for an example of when adverse event adapts and to resolve commonly drugs. And positive re-challenging is the adverse event reoccurs after the drug restarted. Effectiveness is the drugs works under the real world circumstance, and efficacy is the extent to which a drug works under ideal circumstance. Harm is the nature and extent of the actual damage that could be has been caused by the drug. Risk factor means the patient have uh, predispose or increase the risk of the patient's health. So it is the introduction of pharmacovigilance.